So listen to it run. Yeah, I need to get gas in here, but so what? I just opened the trunk like an idiot. I will not get old, I will not get old, I will not get old. Anyway. How's it running? That's a good picture. We got the invisible exhaust shadows going on. If you look close, you can see the invisible exhaust shadows. I can see them. Look right around the outline of my hat. I don't see any leaks. I don't see anything. Maybe about 30 seconds more of this beautiful symphony, then I'll cut it short. We replaced the radiator and there's no more spray. If you remember all the spray, we replaced the radiator, there's no more spray. I got a new intake coming soon. That's just loose. Get that money.